You think you're somebody. Reading books? Nope. Growing? Nope. Like shit. Your brain's been floating in empty space for years, you think you got time. Meanwhile, you're wasting your life scrolling TikTok like a motherfucker. Sound familiar? Then stop scrolling that shit right now. Close your phone. Do something real, or your focus is dead. Walked into your room and forgot what you came for in 3 seconds? Is it normal? Hell no, f***er. Train your focus. You wanted to make music? Then why aren't you writing tracks on your phone? Wanted to start YouTube? Where's your damn channel? 1 minute motivation at night isn't you. It's a lazy piece of shit who wants to scroll TikTok, gorge on chips, and crash at a party with friends. Is that really the person you see yourself being? You want success? Well, move quietly. Don't tell anyone what you're doing. There's a last video showing how to move silently toward your goals. Check it, adapt, do it. Small steps. Read 5 pages today, 5 pages tomorrow. Money won't make itself, and you haven't even started yet. And the last one, fix your sleep. I'll drop a separate video on that. Enough excuses. How many more days will you waste on empty talks and likes? Build your focus, do it quietly, and results will follow. Don't wait for anyone to notice. Prove it to yourself. Read 5 pages, start training, change. Otherwise, life passes by, and you're left with nothing, motherfucker. Move quietly, do your thing. No one will know until they see your results. Focus is your superpower. Start today.